All right, guys, good morning. Um, y'all know yesterday I cut my hair right, but y'all don't know this.
Then get up.
Now, y'all know that I said have a plan before cutting your hair, and I have a plan, and I'm executing it. Now, I faded my hair off in the back into a V, and on the side, I faded it off, and then I trimmed the top, you know, as even as I could, okay? Because our hair is growing fast. But one of the things that was concerning me was this. Now, y'all know in Big Papa 4 and 5, those are my favorite episodes as far as how um, the curl turns out. So when I mix things with Big Papa, I think number 4 is Big Papa and Hawaiian Silk, right? That's my favorite. Also, guys, this and Big Papa is a real favorite, right? Both of those were my favorites of how they did my hair. And this is on natural hair. This is not texturized or anything. But y'all know they discontinuing this, right? So, guys, yesterday I went on a hunt. 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 And I went on a hunt. Right? So, and I'm telling you guys, that's because I love that combination so much, but they said they're going to discontinue that. So by time I run out of that, I should have found something else that is going to work, right? So while I was out yesterday, oh, the only thing on my hair right now is aloe vera juice. So I went on a hunt yesterday and I found all of that. So right now I got like 7 bottles of that. But while I was out, I seen a miniature thing of this, okay? And this is Moisturizing Curl Activator Cream by Cantu. So I am going to use this today because I need to see what's going to work, okay? So we have aloe vera juice on our hair and whatever, the residuals of whatever was on our hair yesterday, which was I oiled my hair, with sulfur 8. I put aloe vera juice on my hair yesterday, and I think I have a mixture of Echo Styling Gel and a little Big Papa. So we're just going to put a little of this on our hands today, and we're going to just rub it in, okay? I'm on my way to the gym. So, really? I am on my way to the gym. So, I'm going to I like it. I am going to put this on my hair. And I am going to get myself ready. And then I will be back. So only thing I'm doing right now, guys, is rubbing this in. Guys, my hair is literally curling up underneath my hands. I'm rubbing my hair softly, but I'm feeling the curls form as I rub this in my hair. This is a go. Now, guys, I'm showing you this because if you can't find this, I don't want you to be stuck, okay? Because I had to go way, way out to different stores and just hope I found it. And I found it, but like I say, I always have a plan. And so what I'm doing is just rubbing it in my hair. And another thing I'm thinking about going to get is one of those sponge brushes. But I'm going to tell you right now, as I'm rubbing this in my hair feel like it's curling up underneath my hand. Look. Look at that. I like that. You know what? I think I am going to decorate my baby hair and wear it like this today. As I am rubbing this Cantu on my head, I'm going to tell you right now, My hair is curling up underneath my hand. And I'm telling you, look at that. If you cannot find this, okay. Guys, I be doing too much leg work for y'all. And the reason why I didn't want to get a big one is because I didn't know if it was going to work, if I was going to like it, and things like that. But I'm telling you, I like it. So the only thing I put on my hair today was my aloe vera juice mixed with water in my little spray bottle. And I got to go take that and put that back in the refrigerator. And I'm telling you guys, the reason why I have been cutting my hair so often is because everything that we have been doing have been working. So I'm like, okay, you want to grow? You giving me my style quicker. Okay, guys, I got to get ready. Shut the apart. I don't know. I got to finish rubbing this in, let it sit. Then I'll see what it's going to do. Okay? But this is the way it's looking now. Taking some Echo Styling Gel. And I am just, brushing my hair down. When I had did that Pixies Are Cute, curled or slick down, and I told you guys I don't want to, jade my baby hairs and things like that. I just want my hair to look like it's really, really like good hair. And I'm sort of over the baby hair on every style, So, guys, it's curling up, and I'm just giving it time to curl up as I get everything else together. I'm liking my length. I'm loving my cut. I'm going to bring that to you guys. That is coming to y'all real soon as far as how I cut my hair and everything and what I used, to cut it, what I was comfortable with using. Man, these curls are, okay. They are what's up. Once again, y'all are not going to be stuck. Let me finish playing with my hair. Guys, this hair looks so good. I had to twirl for y'all twice. These curls are tight and we can do anything with them. All right, guys, I have to get out of here. This is the way that the hair turned out. It got really, really tight and like taco meat. But I went on and I took a small pick and picked it out. So if you want your hair to, look like it's brushed, sponge brush, this will do it. If I want my hair to look tight on the side, this will do it. But guys, I have to get out of here and get ready to go to the gym because if I take any longer, I will not go. Let me show you the outfit of the day. All right, guys, well, we're about to get out of here and go to the gym. Our hair turned out perfect. If you're looking for a tight curl, that Cantu Curl Activator will do it. It will make your hair look like it's a sponge brush. But this is the outfit for the day to go to the gym. I got this outfit from Old Navy, and it is a three-piece. Pants, top, and sports bra underneath. So I will give you a twirl. So guys, that is it. You have reached at It's Regina TV. Thank you for coming by and spending this time with me. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching my videos, guys, because you are the reason why my channel is growing. And until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, and I'll talk to you later. Let's get this workout on. I made it. All right, guys, this is the machine that I get on that works me out. And I am trying to show you guys my hair. My hair turned out really well at home, and during this workout, it still held its own. Now I'm going to tell you, if you want a curly look, like a sponge look, then earlier when I was showing you today how you just run your hand over your hair with the product in it, it will make your hair look really sponged and the curls look really tight. Now, even though I be sweating a lot, I'm telling you this product works very well. Now, if you cannot find the Carefree Curl Gold Activator, then go get the Can 2 Activator, and it should work just as good for you guys. So let me know in the comment section down below, guys, if you went and got you some curl activator and if it worked for you.
Then get up, get dressed.